So how there is, and if you from Buddhism, people are in this ready to attend IT, IT. These attend, how is attend exam. That's good. That was very nice. But you have to study more. Not because I am not today study, but I not. Why you didn't study? Because my cousin knows the bike. I am going to come find bike. So it doesn't have any relationship with the Bible. Yes, sir. Does it? Sir, the last video, the last no, it doesn't have any concern with what is the concern, the main idea of your Bible. But this is next come here, Osman. Osman, come here. What's it? Are you here? What's it? Abdullah.
Farada, sadio. Ya zinaga.
Oh, that was very nice. Clap for him. That was very nice. Good job. Superb. Yes, come in. Good job. That's a cheers. Good job. Anyone next? Abdullah, Abdurrahman. Abdullah,
Sadio.
Abdullah.
Bakere.
Yes, Abdurrahman. His name is Abdurrahman. Ubaidullah, Abdurrahman. Okay, Ubaidullah, come here. Good job, nice. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Regna is college student. College student. She is better in all subjects but not in biology. In some days her exam she is nervous about it and she had fever. If her friend suggested that to go to the doctor Regna
Good job.
said it's good idea and I will she will not.
That was very nice. Good job. Clap on it. Come here. It's easy. Don't get nervous. Take a long breath. Take start.
In the name of Allah, most of all, who is one who was one and who will be one. Today we have to about the main idea of the spirituality.
Good job.
It is about Kalista, a college student. She worked hard and she is better for art, but not in biology. In some days, her exam, she is very nervous about it. She made her friend and What can I not tolerate for exam? Thanks suggested safe you should go to a doctor.
You should go to the doctor.
She went to doctor and doctor advised her you go to the exam, escape.
Oh, that was really nice. Clap for her. Good job. That was really nice. I really appreciate you. Next one. Who will be next? Anyone? Muzammil. Sahil, are you ready? Yes? Come on, hurry up. The time is running out. Umar, as simple. It's a piece of cake. You can do it. You can do it. After Sunday, nothing. There is nothing that you cannot do it. There is nothing that you cannot do it. Because there is a dunya की सारी चीजें चावल खोले. You can do everything. You can do everything. Don't worry. तुम्हारा नहीं होगा. सवाल करो अंदर. Listen to us, sir. I need your attention. If you want to achieve your goal in your life, try to start from today, not from tomorrow. If you want to get success in your life, जिंदगी की कामयाबी के साथ नौकरियां, so try to start from today. Then start वाला. Never go for tomorrow. सवाल पर कलम उठान किया. That I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. In this condition, you will just spend your whole life, but tomorrow never comes. But tomorrow will never ever come. Understand? In this kind of condition, you will spend your whole life. जब से हालत को बदल जिंदगी तेरा गया और अपन जिंदगी आपको गोल अचीव नहीं. So that is why I'm telling you, whatever you want to do in your life, try to start from today. And then start on it. Open your notebook. Sahil, are you ready? Notebook. Or your horses next.
The book was
Who's ready? Look there. Presentation.
Because someone will talk around
Huh?
topic.
Our second. When gift is followed, when gift is followed by adjective, where were you? What was the problem? That's why you can do it. When it is followed by an adjective, then it means become. For example, people get nervous. People get nervous. People get nervous about exams. I got tired. I become tired. So, what na? Kalam get about education. Get plus. No. When get when Don't make a fuss. When get is followed by a noun, then it means often. Often. Okay, so that's as I got that was I got I got yeah, she got iPhone. She got iPhone yesterday. Type the cover. Get plus noun means get plus noun.
These are the
means yes, that is right. Get plus noun means to arrive somewhere. जब आप पहुंच for example she gets home at a 5 p.m. आपको the sentence here okay get plus noun shows जैसे कि इधर बोली करना get plus noun shows get plus noun shows get plus noun shows a disease is the way of बीमारी the way she got flu for example I got headache I got a headache for example the uses the get uses I got headache मां पसंद करते हैं I got headache she got flu आगे जुकाम flu she got flu लेकिन पास में she दिया got देना लगा कि आगे जुकाम हो शुरू जुकाम शुरू जमा पसंद करो हमें तो समझ चाहिए वो जुकाम शुरू नेक्स्ट है ओके let's go to topic stop writing get plus adjective कितना मुझे get नंबर शेयर adjective what does it mean get plus adjective means adjective is followed by noun. Adjective number adjective. So when get is followed by an adjective, then it means a become. Become means a बनना. चिकन हम सर get number adjective रचना अगर समझ लो become. समझ लो become. For example, people get nervous. So what is nervous? Take on to grammar. It is an adjective. So when an adjective is followed after a get, so it means a become. It's mean a become. So people become. I can say people become nervous about exam. Yeah, I can say people get nervous about the exam. अलग परेशानी की दूसरा पारा the exam पारा. Okay, I got tired. This is shema shema. So tired से दिया जामा सर adjective दिया नो got चिकले got नमस शिया adjective राशन दिली मतलब शिया become. Understand? Any problem? Solution है simple है. चिकले get नमस adjective राशन आगे समझ सकते हैं become. Next is get plus noun. चिकले get नमस शिया noun शिया. When get is followed by a noun, then it means the obtain. चिकले get नमस शिया noun आगे बस मतलब जे obtain. Obtain means the हासिल करना. For example, I got first position. So damas is noun दे दे चिकले noun ना चिकले obtain. तो ऊपर का मतलब है चिमास कर दिया first position आवाज दे दिया. I got a first position. तो when चिकले get नमस शिया noun ना शिया आगे समझ लिया obtain. Obtain से तो होया हासिल करना. चिकले get नमस शिया noun ना शिया it means that obtain. हासिल करना. I got first position. It means that I obtained first position. Okay, next one, she got iPhone yesterday. No, I मतलब that she obtained. हासिल कर दी करा. I कौन सी कर दिया? iPhone yesterday. तो पर get नंबर she वाले दिया. Noun वाले दिया. तो जितना get नंबर noun में she डाले समझ ले दिया. Understand? Next one, get plus noun shows to arrive somewhere. She के राउंड से कि अंत के ऊपर that get इस्तेमाल हो रही है. For example, she gets up home at 5 p.m. अब वो तस्वीर में रसिया इनसे बची है. यहाँ पर कैसे कैसे गुजार रोजाना रहा है. रोजाना नहीं कि आपने की तो she gets up home at 5 p.m. तो she gets समझ शी ना ले लिया. यहाँ ना बने इनका समझ में नहीं चिकन get plus noun she to arrive somewhere. Then the use is there. The get plus the gets she there. The use is there. Okay, next one, she gets up home at 5 p.m. Get plus noun shows a disease. The get number चिकन noun ने among the disease of show here. For example, I got a headache. जब आप सर मानी दर्शे को. I got a headache. Now for the she got a flu. So she won. Okay, look at the whiteboard. I'm going to elaborate it. Just explain. So much you have to just on the whiteboard. Listen, students, the topic which we are going to study, that is a get plus adjective. I told you that when an adjective is followed by a noun, when an adjective is followed by get, so it means that become. Whenever we use an adjective after get, it means that become. Understand? For instance, people get nervous about exam. It means that majority all the people they get nervous about coming exam. So it means that people become nervous. When get followed by an adjective, it means become. People get nervous about exams. So it means that people become nervous. Understand? So I told you when an adjective is followed by get, adjective, so it means that become. Understand? So after get we use nervous, and what is nervous according to grammar? It is an adjective. So it means become. People become nervous about exam. People get nervous about exam. I got tired. So tired according to grammar is an adjective, and got is a verb. It is a main verb. So we use the adjective after get, so it means that become. I got tired. Understand? The next topic is that whenever we use noun after get, what would it give us meaning? It will give us the meaning of obtain. Understand? When we use noun after get, so it gives us the meaning of obtain. For instance, when get is followed by a noun, then it means obtain. I got first position. It means that a person obtained first position in the class. Here, get is followed by a noun. So we use a noun after get, so it means that obtain. Understand? I got first position. The next example is she got iPhone yesterday. It means that yesterday she bought iPhone. She obtained the iPhone. Understand? Afterwards, I took okay. The next topic that is the next uses of get on when we use noun after get on. So it also sometimes it shows up arrive somewhere. Arrival somewhere. For example, she gets her home at 5 p.m. She gets her home at 5 p.m. Arrive means where arrive means Pawanchna, good job, outstanding. So she gets her home at 5 p.m. Next, the next use that is a get. When get we use now, it shows it. Sometimes it shows a disease. A disease means an illness, a sickness. I got headache. She got flu. Any problem? No problem. Okay, so open your vocabulary. Open your vocabulary. She got flu at the lunch. I got flu yesterday. Call your horse. Again, go to the seat. There comes. No, that's not just open your arm.
Page number 18, unit number 9.
Page number 18. Page number 18. Or your horse, John Concha. Open your vocabulary. All the things vocabulary book be empty. Somebody stole your book. Somebody stole your vocabulary. So didn't you find it a person? Didn't you search out there? You had better search out there. Go and search it up. After the class, once you go out from the class, once you off from the class, you had better go out there. Understand and tell your teacher that somebody stole my vocabulary. Got it? Okay, the first word that we are going to study background. It's anonymous means things that can be seen behind data, man, thing, a person or picture. Background means a passing manzar. What is the meaning of background? Background means a passing manzar. Hey, you will write it out. You will write it down. Okay, it would be, you can write it from your sister as well. But it would be better that you, yes? Where's your vocabulary? Your vocabulary is with her. Hey, Safia, you have on vocabulary. Don't you have vocabulary? Okay, yes, you have to share your vocabulary with him. You have to share your vocabulary with him. Yes, sir. Background means it's anonymous means things that can be seen behind that man, person, or picture. Where's your vocabulary? Where is your vocabulary? Yes? What is this, guys? 4 persons that do not have vocabulary. Is it that you learn English? If you are having no vocabulary, if you are not going to learn new words, new vocabulary, so how you are going to boost up your speaking? How you are going to use new words, new idioms? The first word that is a background. Background means it's anonymous, means a passing answer. Bob. Bob means it is anonymous, means a small shop selling clothes. A smart shop selling clothes. Aga boutique there. That's the box. B-O-U. Spelling there. B-O-U-Q-U-E. Box today kana da guldasте da. Box to ya guldasте da. Understand na? Dito guldasте hoई kare. Box to fill kare. दा गलत ही लिखा है a small shop selling clothes हम boutique है दा boutique है कबाब है no गलत ही लिखा है ना what I'm saying that's it yes that's it
नाम
गुलदस्ते
बदल
दो हां
गुलदस्ते नहीं लिखे
boutique चीजें का boutique जैसे अब boutique चीजें का आगे दुकान है हां
कपड़े की
दुकान
दुकान
का
जैसा
है boutique है बॉक्स चीजें का नाम क्या हुआ for your horses just leave it as He or you listen sir गुलदस्ते का वजह सर अक्षर की टी हुआ तो हां बॉब टी was the sir
Yes, sir.
okay box is the pronunciation अगर ना तो हम बात करो तो okay शाबाश गुलदस्ता तो दिखा बॉक्स तो गुलदस्ता जैसे कि आप बॉक्स गुलदस्ता ceremony means a formal religious or what or public occasion program ceremony तकरीब होता है के प्रोग्राम होता है के शाबाश तकरीब couple means pair जोड़ा are you couples do you have couple no I don't have I am single I am single the next one is couple means जोड़ा wife and husband मतलब how much I can you are poor single where poor single you are just kidding the next one is God means fare means money paid for a journey on a public transport fare कराया तो कराया Gone means gone. Gone means it is a long dress worn on formal occasion. Gone. That's linga pizza ni linga. Lingi tau na. Go chili kana linga. Kaya bilkul jaate chalaane. No, women usually they are wearing. Listen, I don't need your suggestion. Keep your suggestion in your pocket. I never ask you to what does it mean. Do I ask? I'm just gonna make you understand. There is no one who give a response. From whom I ask, he or she will give a response. The rest you have to just stay silent. A long dress worn on formal occasion. Sometimes a woman they wear a gown in wedding party. Gown means lenga. Next one is happiness. Happiness, the state of being happy, contentment, खुशहाली. Happiness, खुशहाली. Leaf, it's a noun. It means the greenish part of a tree. Leaf means a patta. Leaves is the plural form of leaf. Leaves, the plural form in the term, the leaf. the patti होली के नाम patti sadness the condition of being sad unhappiness narazgi khafa afghan tear means answer why there is tear in your eyes समझते हो कि वो लोग की दिया why there is a tear is in your eyes why is there tear in your eyes ticket means answer Sita, tear the answer next one it is ticket means it's an noun it means pass permit ticket तवला get pass समझ गए या permit permission the next one is real means the hijab a piece of cloth used to cover a bride's face in a wedding this is all jika what kana bride shada tu kasar saya from itu semua tak muskil dia for your horses you don't have to talk it's the last chance for you you had better keep the zip of your mouth I'm telling you from the beginning starting that this is a game and despite of it you are talking zip up from now on nobody has to talk ویر ته دغه لیکه ها حجاب متوریا او ځینې خلک په تصور سوی او غنامه ته په مخه چې اساس وي ویر حجاب okay velvet is the way it's a noun it means a soft silky cloth silk is the way रेशम the way the रेशम पर कपड़े का सभी velvet रेशम कपड़ा ही कहना velvet the cloth of silk is called a velvet रेशम की कपड़ा best man okay best man तो यार it's a noun it means a male friend of group who helps at his wedding okay best man लिखना no best man लिखना सरा जल्दी सरा तो मदद करेगा जल्दी को खास बस ये फ्रेंड की मदद की आदत so मदद पे करना आदत सब होया best man so no दुल्हा का दोस्त good job
You are very best. Adam,
दुल्हा का दोस्त
are you very best?
then the wedding party can be मालूम अंत के बाद sentence तक वो contest तक वो बोले ये sentence मुझे सिंग meaning आया for example जैसा जो करा इधर की wedding party start करा I'm the best man automatically you have to understand next question दूसरा question जो हुआ if I tell you you are the best man आप अच्छा आदमी हो क्या you have to look at the contest that's what the बोलिया जुमले तब वो sentence तब बोलिया पकन से किस इस्तेमाल किया usually अमूमन इस्तेमाल किया आम तौर इस्तेमाल किया so it means that you are the best man if there is a wedding party कि जब कि वादा शुरू करा and you think you what are doing this किया so then I am the best man तो मतलब है कि I am helping the groom जल्दी से कुमा मदद कुमा ग्रुप से तो होया जल्दी तो होया जल्दी से कुमा I am helping him जल्दी आप मदद कुमा so best man तो ये दुल्हा की मददगार या दुल्हा की मददगार okay bridesmaid it's an a female friend of bride who helps her at her wedding okay दुल्हन की सहेली मतलब दुल्हन की दोस्त सहेली दुल्हन की सहेली या दुल्हन की दोस्त bridesmaid आदत तो वही चीज़ है दुनिया की तावीज़ की आमदन करता है ना हेल्प करता है except for different activities होते हैं ना so that's called bridesmaid the next one is groom it's an noun it means a man and has wedding groom से तो Okay, maid of honor. Maid of honor. Maid, पुन्हा असं की maid कमी नोकरान होया. Maid असं की कमी नोकरान होया. Maid of honor is a noun. It means a woman who is in charge of a wedding ceremony. A wedding ceremony करा अंत होया. Chicken yo wedding. Yes. शादी की सरबराह चिकन यो अरेंजमेंट कया जैसे कि जो वधू ना अरेंजमेंट कया फॉर एग्जांपल वादे की ओका सुन करना मुश्किल भी करना दिगुन वाले का तुझे के व्यवस्थित बना आते की लास्ट बता से के तो वाला के डिफरेंट हो गया तो चिकन यो मुश्किल भी अलग से हो या अगर आई तब चिकन यो वादू मुश्किल भी मेड ऑफ ऑनर हां मेड ऑफ ऑनर ऐसे शादी की सरबराह wedding means a marriage. It's an honest mean shadi. Wedding is the way on shadi. Reception means a party after marriage. Chikala arsushia whatever happens, so there is a reception. Some basically at the cherry wala ferata whatever. This is a reception. Walima. Attendant means attendant, a person who attends a program party. Attendant means आपका सवाल बोला था चिकन में पार्टी में तलाश चिकन for example I am attendant. They वादा तलाश monster I am attendant. This is shuma attendant shuma. Yes, a party. So हाज़री देने वाला. RSVP, a French phrase which means to tell the host whether or not you are coming to the party. Listen, RSVP का मतलब दिया, the French phrase दिया. I'll tell you the full form, but the French phrase देखना, the मतलब दारे चित्त योगस दावली की चिदावत वरुली की, for example, context मान वरुली किया, तो मतलब दारे चित्त जमा जो वादे का पार्टी का राजी और करना राजी. Listen. The RSVP it means that you are gonna confirm yourself that whether this person is going to come to my party or not. Got it, students? RSVP matlab hai. Good job. The next word is a chore. Chore means a household work. Chore means a household work. घर के ना SVP नहीं समझेगा ना ये समझेगा chore means घर के काम do you do chores at home? Yes, I do. Sometimes I just mop the floor, I just help, sometimes I do the dishes, sometimes I knit the dog समझ लो ओळख कल नागला सुकुमा I just mop the floor कल नागला की ब्रश मॉम कल नागला की sometimes I do the dishes समझ लो look in the sometimes I do the dishes, sometimes I help my mother, sometimes I just wash the clothes, sometimes I just okay. The next one is reservation. Booking. Reservation से तो यार book करना, महसूस करना. महसूस करना. For example, this seat was reserved by Aliya. The seat reserved कर दिया Aliya. Reserve से तो book करना. मुझे करना. You have to reserve the seats as soon as possible. For instance, I just started fresh level 1 class up. Listen, let's take the 3 minute class. So, keep the discussion to 3 minutes. Today, what the other just move on. The word explain को I just want to make you understand that कोई ना सबब ये word बराबर है, expression बराबर है, कोई sentence बराबर है, तो कोई कुछ level 3 की level 4 क्या what does it mean? What is the meaning of the reception? Reception से मतलब क्या? तो बोलते हो तरीके से vocabulary बोल रहा था. I just want to keep it in your mind that the vocabulary से तो हम दोनों से पर आसान तरीके से में जितना ज़्यादा डायरेक्ट दिमाग में दर्शिया. And despite of it, अगर बहुत जितना तक खबरें को या कि speaking one is such fluency ना रहे तो words ना बोलिए आप नहीं पता. It means you will be good at vocabulary. That's what vocabulary के लिए खुश है करना. Occasion means a particular event. मौका या event. Occasion. मौका. La means the rules. Okay. Last note कानून दो. What are last part? कानून से लगा रही. Anyone? Anyone who can make me understand about last? What are last part? What are last part? कानून से लगा रही. Huh? Ambassador para good job for defense. You can say it is for defense.
Sir, public health and country defense.
Country defense. Good job. Nice. Laws are made for justice in South Africa. Laws are made for justice. You can see how many injustices are being done in our society. Yes. What is going to happen? Double here. If somebody stands out there and he kills someone, you are not going to stand by his side today. You are going to face it. There will be no one to stand by your side. I think you get your let him be. Let him be under this kind of situation. Let him be. We don't have any concern because we want to just avoid from ourselves. We just want to save ourselves. We just want to protect ourselves. That is why we are not going to stand by yourself. So if he is going to face this kind of problem today, tomorrow you are going to face this kind of problem. And there will be no one to stand by your side. I think your person will be Understand? So you have to make a unity. Unity Understand? So laws are made for justice. Justice. If someone is going to break the law, the laws have to announce the sentence for him. The judge has to announce the sentence for him. Just as a sentence के मतलब दारी चीज सजा दी कोर्ट को होगी. Sentence में मतलब कि मत award वे दियो. Sentence jail वे दियो. So the judge has to announce the sentence for him. The criminal nowadays you can see the criminals are going to increase day by day in our society. You are going to see here. The shooting is going to increase, the robbery, the murder, everything is increasing now. And there is no one to protect it. Why? There is no law in our society. There is no law. What is law for? As I just told you, laws are meant for justice, but there is no justice in our society. Laws are made only for justice, nothing for else. The good correction, the laws are laws. The next one is cry. Cry means to shed tears, to be in tears. Cry means to be in tears means never ever cry in your life. But the thing is, oh, this happened to me, I did not get success. Never ever cry. Never have objection. Objection and you just start crying. Life is full of what? Trouble. Life is life it is but a what? So if you are not going to face problems in your life, so it means that your life is nothing. You are not going to challenge. Some life challenging nothing. Problem. Never ever cry in your life. Never ever cry in your life. If you don't have money, you just add it. There is nothing. Earning money is a piece of cake. But if you use your mind, if you use your wisdom, understand? So never cry in your life. But the word of the day, cry. The next sentence is depart, to leave. Depart means cholna. Depart means cholna. Tomorrow I am going to depart to London. Sabara London rawani. Depart means cholna. Bekhudal. Using bekhudal. Yes sir. We will depart. We will depart. Listen. We will depart the class after 5 minutes. In the class को पिदुआ. That's a very interesting word. This is another word. How the time passes? Let's see this. The next one is pick up. Pick up means okay. Hold down. Hold means to grasp. Hold means pakarna. Hold. Hold means pakarna. Hold means pakarna. Hold. Hold means pakarna. Keep it holding. Keep it holding. दादा वसूल निसा इससे पकड़ो. इसी तरह जड़ रखना. Keep it holding. दादा सीधी से understand? The next one is pick up. Pick up means utana. Pick up means utana. Graduate. Graduate means फारिग होना. I graduated from the City College Peshawar. Arriving means researching या coming. पहुंचना. Departing means छोड़ना. Lovely means प्यारा, beautiful, attractive. I think that is attractive. Yes, the beauty definition Sharia, I think that attracts you. अगर सिस्टम attractive, attraction चीज़ का नाम आपको black definition or white definition of a noun. It can be beauty definition of what? Beauty. How we define beauty? Beauty. I think that attracts with scar beauty. That can be black. For example, the petulation thallassia. Or other word, stuff. Other stuff, you अगर दिल से अट्रैक्ट किया अगर ताने दिल से खिस्ता कर दिया तो जितने समय दिल से ब्यूटी हो गया अरे सेंटर में मेरे सलाम इस्लाम रोज़ा बोल गया तब क्या अट्रैक्ट किया तब क्या it is called beauty अरे तुम उसको बोलो beauty I think that attracts you अगर इसका अट्रैक्ट की तरह पर माइल किया अरे तुम उसको बोलो beauty the next one is pack means crowded अब pack तो या लोगों से बड़ा हुआ या भरपूर या हजूम मतलब पैक तो या this class is packed down. Do not send more students in other class. This class is packed. Okay. Present. Yes sir. Present. Present means available in attendance. No. Present check. And something that present check and the okay is बड़ा बड़ा जो लगेगा present check का असर इधर तक the meaning of this से निकल गया present check का यो मौजूद होया मौजूद लेकिन आज यो present check का अवस्था में gift होया present check का अवस्था में gift होया for example I got a present for you माता लगा समझ लीजिए gift okay present से होया gift होया Okay, a round trip. How much money did you spend by a round trip? Round trip तो या दो तरफा. A journey to a place and coming back. Rashi और वापस राशि. Round trip. Yes, दो तरफ चलता है. या जाना आना जाना चक्कर. या spectacular, striking, eye-catching. तो adjective दी. Listen. Spectacular means शानदार. Spectacular से तमें शानदार. Striking. For example, there was a movie, there was a eye-catching सुद्धा होतं, शानदार होतं, spectacular होतं, striking होतं, spectacular. Handsome means good looking, handsome, खूबसूरत. Unable means unable to नाकाबिल है, हाँ, नाकाबिल.
quickly, जल्दी.
Quickly means rapidly or fast. Quickly means jaldi. Go. Go means इसलिए. I was sick. Though I didn't come to class. Though I didn't come to class. For your horses. Well, I just explained the vocabulary to you, and I got project. Nobody will teach you this kind of vocabulary. Thus, your teacher on my school, that is some from the just those words vocabulary just come and tell you, sir, you are telling lies. I got project. Not the right mother show. And it's only just for you. That's the part. What I mean, the moment today you have to go to home that you want to more do your good experiment sentences. Your business sentences for your word man जोड़ पे that's now how word बदल बदल लगे नहीं sentences भी जोड़ पे आगे words notes से ना मोरे notes दे पर दे word का मुद्दा words इस्तेमाल दे word का मुद्दा words इस्तेमाल वो मतलब तो उस particular बारे में पता ना हुआ I catch बारे में पता ना हुआ striking बारे में पता ना हुआ wrong fit बारे में पता ना हुआ this is a lot of words this just word there that's पता ना हुआ understand you just learn it that's what you have to use it in your speaking you have to just utilize it in your speaking understand so with the help of this word or with the help of this vocabulary you can learn it that's it we will have to change the gupshup करना तो वो खबरें को वो fighting को झगड़ा को बात सब को वो within a proper time either पर वो घटना को बोलूँगा तो whenever I'm doing lecture करते lecture को when nobody has stop this is not your right that's the सोना कम जुड़ी है जिससे देखिए कि हम हमारे साथ खराब हुआ और दस वाली किस्तों की लगे अमेरिका में कहते चार राइट्स जुड़ी के बाद रिलायंस चलती जाओगी सर that's wrong you have to fight for your own rights the full rights the full हुकूक के बाद झगड़ा को लीजिए but if I am right this is a human you have to just calm down relax okay आराम से understand now? So how much I struggle with that person, I'm not going to understand that power. Right? Understand that power. That's the most really your topic there and nobody is there. Your person has finished your the Cambridge Manutalashi or your topic present here. There is no one. Your person is there. Topic there and there's enough and try to just focus on yourself up to them and focus on your if you are in any kind of question I'm here you can ask and take a response. Okay, just one action is suggested that. What is the action? Okay, so thanks a bunch. Have a nice day. Have a lunch first day. I'll give you the 10 parts. Yes, sir. No.